point where you mentioned about brain connections and how music helps in making those connections. So, I'm little getting more curious about it. So, do you think in some ways music therapy benefits children with learning disabilities or, learning challenges that they have these days? And especially if I would have to say like kids with different abilities. So how it can benefit them and what kind of music?
So yeah. So I started out when I was around 24. So in my experience, there has been one child who was on the autism spectrum, and I felt that he benefited a lot. But in India, the studies and the actual work been done with music therapy is less. But if you travel abroad, they work a lot with therapy. So they use music and they try to communicate with children who can't just speak to you, normally. If you call their name, they're not going to respond to you. So they use, music for them to express themselves, and then they can communicate with the adult better. So I feel it's completely untapped in India right now, like
So do the
0.1%.
teachers need, so do the teachers need special training to do that?
Yes. Yes, and I think that's what stops somebody like me from, doing it very actively, because you need qualifications. And I mean, we are qualified as teachers, but not as special music therapists, because that's a whole domain in itself.